All right, guys. Happy Sunday. Let's get into it. So I'm going to talk about what we're doing for Forex here. Get into right here. All right, now on the daily chart, I already sent out the weekly swing signals for you guys. So, all right, so okay, hold on. Okay, so I apologize. Hang on, I'm just trying to zoom in on here. Make this right. Okay. So looking to sell the US dollar index for this week. Obviously this Doji coin right here, Doji coin, not Doji coin, Doji candle. And so I apologize about that. Looking for the US dollar to come back down to 105.2 off the wick here. And then we'll see if it actually breaks down to break the 105.0 price here. As far as for indices, uh, I am going to sell all of them, but don't expect for them to drop dramatically. So I'm not expecting too much crazy volume here for the first couple of days. I know that tomorrow's going to be July 1st, but also we have July 4th, which is on Thursday. So, well, hold on. That's one. Yeah. July 4th is on a Thursday. So this is going to be very, very tricky. So I don't know if they're going to do NFP for this Friday. Let's see. NFP. Oh, so they're actually going to do NFP, but we have Independence Day on July 4th, which is Thursday. So this is going to be a little bit of a toss up. I don't know what to expect because never traded Independence Day before NFP. So we'll see how the market plays out for this week. I don't really expect too crazy of a volume, for this whole week, but like I said, anything could change. Let's see here. Let's see. Wednesday we have FOMC minutes. Let's see if they even do anything for Wednesday because I don't know how this is all gonna play out due to the fact that July 4th falls on Thursday. So I'm gonna treat it like a consolidation phase and tight narrow prices. They're probably gonna try and shoot up a lot before the holiday. And then Friday morning comes for NFP, there's probably not going to be a whole lot of movement. They're probably just going to make it an early day. And then, like I said, it's going to be the weekend again. So be very careful where you're going to be. How you're going to trade for this week. I would highly recommend just taking it slow, taking it easy for this week. I don't plan on doing anything too crazy for this week because this is the week of July 4th, Independence Day holiday, so I just take it easy. That's what I recommend. But yeah, I plan to sell US 30 back down to like 38.5, right at this weekly support here at 38.5. And then I'm selling S&P to drop back to 5,400. And then we'll see if it breaks below 5,400. They are still on an uptrend, so just be mindful of that. And then selling Nasdaq to break back down to 19,000, and then we'll see if it goes below 19,000 from there. But like I said, they're still uptrending, so don't really get too caught up in here. And like I said, I expect the US dollar to drop back. If it doesn't drop back and it stays at this price for this week, and then there's really not a whole lot to work with. So then that means most prices, same thing like for what's been happening for the past, couple weeks, especially for this month of June, most prices would come down and come right back up to where it started. So that's why I'm talking a lot about consolidation zones, tight narrow price structures, and prices that are just consolidating in the same price to where there's really not a lot to be swinging, right? So you rather be focusing on intraday trading and scalping the markets on the lower time frames, not on a weekly. So gold, I believe we have, where's my thing at? Question. Nope. We had gold. Selling gold. So I'm looking for gold to come back down. And same thing with silver. So looking for gold to come back to like 2300, 2291 right here at the weekly support for selling. Same thing for silver to come back down to like $29 and then to hit 28.6 off the wick here. Probably just going to end up consolidating quite a bit here at this price. So, and like I said, silver, most importantly, is pay attention where they're going to try and drive the price for silver here. All right, UJ. UJ is on a massive uptrend here. Man, this thing's been uptrending since, well, way before that, but yeah, this thing's been uptrending since '09. Oh, January. That's crazy. So the next move would be to break 161, buying UJ here, 161, and then to break up to 162. Until whenever it decides to fall back down. UCAD. What did I have for UCAD? We had five for UCAD? I think we did. Yeah, buy UCAD. Looking for UCAD to break 137. And then my final move would be to come back and retest 138. They break the 138 price. And if it does not break 138, I'm just gonna sell it back down because every time it's retesting 138, it's been dropping back. So pay close attention once it comes back to this the big resistance of 138. USWIS, buying USWIS, looking for USWIS to hit 90 and then to hit 91, and then the third big move would be 92. But like I said, there's so much consolidation between 88 and 91. And I'm just gonna highlight what it's been doing previously here, here, and here. So we know that the very bottom is 84, and the very top that cannot break above is 92. So, but if we were to narrow it down, it's been at 88 and 90 this for quite some time. So you just got to pay close attention where the markets are going for this pair here. Yeah, it's not something that I would waste too much time on this, to be honest. So it's not a pair that I would recommend going all in and all out on this. Euro, looking for Euro, we drop back to 107.0 and then to break below 107 to 106. So they can break the weekly support here at 106. And then we'll see if it drives itself even further down from there. Let's see. I believe we're buying. What? Hold on. Yep. We're buying the Euro British Pound. Looking for it to fill in this gap here at 85. And then the next move would be to come all the way back up to 86. So we'll see how much more it's going to keep driving itself up at this price here. And then for the pound, they drop back to 126, selling the pound, and then break 126 back to 125, and then break that down back to 124. 124, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. 124. All right. And then selling Australia and New Zealand. Looking for the Australian dollar to go back to 66. And then we'll see if it breaks below 66. That's as low as I'm gonna go because it's been bouncing back up from 60, a little bit under 60, 65.7 here. But it's been bouncing right back up ever since it goes down and hit 66. So that's our consolidation zone here. And then for New Zealand, looking for New Zealand break 60 all the way back down to the 60 price mark here. And then we'll see. I'm just gonna highlight. I'm just gonna do here right here. So that's my zone. My zone here and here. So that's my zone from 60 to 61, but it's selling it back down to 60. And then we'll see if it breaks below 60 from there for the New Zealand dollar. Like I said, yeah. So other than that, we have July 4th this Thursday. Non-farm payroll is Friday morning. So NFP is still going on. FOMC minutes is on Wednesday. So we will see how everything all plays out for the economic calendar. Also, like I said, I'm not expecting a whole lot of volatility and high liquidity of trading for this week, but who knows? Things could change up, for tomorrow morning if they're going to just try and drive the markets up and go really fast pace before the holiday on Thursday, and then nothing happens for NFP. So, like I said, it's gonna be a first time to trade something like this. Usually, July 4th falls on you know, either on beginning of the week or towards closer to like the weekend. But it's a little harder to work with on this one. So just be mindful of where things are headed for the upcoming new month of July. We are still in summer season of trading, and you already seen what's happened so far in the month of June after post tax season. So not much movement, and if there is a lot of movement for that one day, that's all you get for that one day of trading. So you gotta catch those days. There's always at least one good day of trading out of the week where there's high volatility, high liquidity. There's so much volume that you can just scalp the markets and make your money. Okay. So other than that, that's all I have for you guys. If you guys have any questions regarding the weekly analysis or the weekly swing signals, let me know in the Telegram chat group. On that, I'll see you guys. Happy Sunday fun day, guys. All right, guys, let's talk about Bitcoin and what we're doing for cryptocurrency. Let's get into it. So we are buying cryptocurrency, looking for Bitcoin to hit 62,000, and then the next one would be to hit 63,000, and then the final move would be to break above to 65,000 for this week here. Now, be very careful because we do have Independence Day, which falls on Thursday, and it's going to be tricky to see where the market's going to be playing out. They could end up sitting here for a while. If you look at Bitcoin, what's been happening for the past week is just been consolidating at 61,000 to 62,000. So uh, just being very, just pay very attention to where markets are going to be going for this week, and also the anticipation of the holiday falling on Thursday. So just don't get too caught up on, trying to hold on trades for a while here. So let's get into it here. Buying Ethereum, looking for Ethereum to break 3,500, and then we'll see if it goes up to 3,600 here. And then for Litecoin, Litecoin's dropping back a little bit here, so a lot of resistance at 75. Looking for it to break above 75. It does not break above 75. It's already coming back down right now, so we'll see. I'll be looking at see if it's gonna even hold its price at 74 here. Shiba, looking for Shiba to buy the bottom here, right? At the sitting at what price is this at? I just want to make sure I'm not falling. It's sitting at 1696. I'm looking to buy for the 1800 mark here, and then we'll see if it comes back to even 1900. So I'm not gonna. Yeah, it's just. Well, the other part has just been sitting here at the bottom too. So Dogecoin, looking for Dogecoin to hit 13 cents in value, and that's as high as I'm gonna go. Don't get too caught up in here. These small coins are just really not doing a whole lot. Ripple, looking for Ripple to hit 48 cents, and then maybe touch up to 49 cents in value, if that. So I'm just trying to narrow things down here so you guys get a chance to see what, just the amount of consolidation within the past week, and prices are just sitting in between the same zone structures, but very narrow, very tight, not a whole lot of like high volume trading or high liquidity. So that's what I'm saying. There's just not a whole lot here for crypto. And like I said, what I said before is that for the summer months, or in the summer season of trading, that it's really slow. Not a whole lot of movement. There might be like that 1 or 2 days out of the whole month where it gets really, big on moves there. based on fundamentals and unexpected news events. So let's see here. NEO, looking for NEO to hit. Maybe to the wick price up here at 11.94, maybe $12 in value if that. Dash, buying Dash for $25 in value, and we'll see if it breaks above 25 to 26. Solana, buying Solana hit 149, and then the next move would be the break. Yeah, the next move would be the break 150. Zcash, buying Zcash come out of this structure here at $21 in value. And then we will see what happens from there. Tezos. Tezos, buying some Tezos here at 77. Looking for to hit 80 cents in value. And break out of the 80-cent price mark back to 81 and 82 cents in value here. So everything is positive except for Litecoin on the watch list here. Everything is green. Solid gains here. So, but just pay close attention to the markets. And like I said, we have Independence Day on Thursday, July 4th. So we'll see how the markets play out before and after the holiday. Other than that, I wish you guys an early happy Independence Day and an awesome upcoming weekend with the friends and families and loved ones. And I'll see you guys in the Telegram chat group. Peace out.